The all-new 2025 Dodge Charger is now entering production at the Stellantis Windsor Assembly Plant in Windsor, Ontario, marking a significant milestone in the brand's electrification journey. This state-of-the-art facility has undergone extensive upgrades to accommodate Dodge's next-generation performance sedan, blending muscle car heritage with cutting-edge electric vehicle technology. Production stages begin with body assembly, where advanced robotics and precision engineering ensure each charger is built with exceptional structural integrity. Following this, the paint shop applies Dodge's signature bold color palette, including several new metallic and matte finishes introduced for 2025. Next, the Charger moves to the general assembly line, where technicians fit the car with its interior features, including premium materials, an advanced infotainment system, and driver assistance technologies. The high-performance powertrain, including electric motors and battery systems, is integrated using specialized equipment designed for electric vehicle assembly. Final quality checks ensure that each Dodge Charger meets Stellantis' rigorous standards. Engineers test performance metrics, safety systems, and vehicle alignment before the cars leave the factory. The first units are expected to hit dealerships in early 2025, promising an electrifying driving experience with iconic Dodge performance DNA.
It's all done, ready to go.